The intensified competition for water in Colorado has put tremendous pressures on farming communities and agricultural production.
Weather and its minute-by-minute changes affects almost everything going on pertaining to agriculture and water resources.
But knowing the temperature, knowing how much wind is blowing past your station, knowing if it's cloudy or if it's sunny is really going to affect how much water is being lost off your field.
Some of the work that we do in my research group is to innovate technologies and find solutions that help agricultural communities access the proper amount of water for sustaining their production. So the system that we have put in place here at Colorado State University is the cloud computing infrastructure that would allow simulation of many scenarios and options, and then identifying how we can move water in a way that it can be used in the best way for, again, agricultural production, to allow identifying best solutions under various scenarios for population and climate. And we are bringing all of these factors together to see what is the future of agriculture in Colorado. How can we conserve water for agriculture?
Well, you're looking at one of our ag weather stations that we have situated throughout various parts of the state.
These stations are collecting all of the elements that are needed to calculate evapotranspiration. That's the amount of water that's lost through evaporation and transpiration from different crops.
We're able to track the weather variables that are affecting all aspects of plant growth and plant water use, and that ends up being critical information for some decisions that producers and water users and water providers need to make. The more pressure there is on the natural resource that we're working with, the more careful and well thought our processes need to be.
So it's really oriented to the producer's farm and helping them really understand their irrigation scheduling at that point.
So to make informed decisions, stakeholders need to be able to access scientific findings and innovation in an easy fashion. If the information that we create, the science that we create, does not reach the end users and stakeholders, they won't provide any benefits in long term.
Well, we're the land-grant university. We're here to provide the connection between basic research and application. By careful monitoring, we're able to provide that information resource to really fuel wiser use of the resources that we've got.
It's not only important to understand how our actions impacts our bottom line or effects at the field scale or facility level, but also how our actions impact the environment and our natural resources.
We're working to provide great climate information to help Colorado agriculture.
I'm helping to innovate Colorado agriculture by collecting high-quality weather data.
I am innovating water technologies for Colorado agriculture.